Assalamu alaikum students of grade 10 matriculation stream. This is Miss Meher Munir. Today in this video we are starting our content number 5, which is the wise caliph. Let's see who is that wise caliph. Caliph Harun al-Rashid. Caliph Harun al-Rashid was the 5th caliph of the Abbasid dynasty. During his reign, the power and prosperity of the dynasty was at its height. Caliph Harun al-Rashid was known and respected for his justice and wisdom. At night, he would disguise himself as a common man and go through the streets of Baghdad to gain first-hand knowledge about the difficulties of his people. As we learned that he was known and respected for his justice and his wisdom, let's learn what is justice. The quality of being just, rightness, equitableness, or moral rightness. And wisdom defines the quality of having experience, knowledge, and good judgment, the quality of being wise. So, Caliph Harun al-Rashid was famous for his justice and for his wisdom. This is the picture of Baghdad, in which he used to disguise himself and go through the streets of Baghdad. One day when he was holding court, the Qazi brought a case to him, and that case was regarding a horse and a beggar and a rich man. This is a painting which one of his devotee or his follower made. These are some meanings or some difficult words taken from your book on page number 2. When you will read out the chapter, you will find these words difficult, so here are the meanings given to you. Let's read out the summary. I have precised or summarized the whole chapter on a single screen summary. Caliph Harun al-Rashid was famous for his justice and wisdom. Once a Qazi brought a case before him which he could not settle. Two men claimed ownership of a horse. One man was rich and the other was poor. The Caliph ordered both the men to touch the horse one by one. When the beggar touched the horse, it winced as if it didn't like his touching. On the touch of the rich man, it neighed with pleasure. The Caliph declared his judgment that the horse belonged to the rich man. He forgave the beggar. The rich man also forgave him and gave him a handful of gold coins. The rich man was pretending that the horse belongs to him, and same goes for the beggar, that he was pretending that the horse belongs to him. But by the wisdom and by the justice of Caliph Harun al-Rashid, the case was very easily solved, that the horse belongs to the rich man. The Caliph just asked both the men to touch the horse, and then it was clear enough that the rich man was the real owner of the horse. The expression or the response of the horse was the basic point on which everybody came to the conclusion that the horse belongs to the rich man. There is no such thing as justice in or out of court. Justice is the sum of all moral duty. We have to be mature enough to learn and to fight for justice. We have so many historic examples in which one of the example is of the wise caliph, who is Caliph Harun al-Rashid. he has created many examples of justice, and one of the best example was this, when he declared that, when he solved the case with his wisdom, that the horse belongs to the rich man. I hope that the chapter was easy and clear enough to you all. Read out the chapter so you will be able to learn every single detail given in your book. We will discuss the chapter in the Google meetings also, to make ourselves clear about Caliph Harun al-Rashid and his cases that he has solved in our history. If you have any query, I am there to solve it out. Thank you so much.